So, hello people, Sanmeet Khadke this side. So, why is sales so very essential? Let us understand deep to this. Okay. So, why do people really think that sales is so very essential? Not only in order to run the company, not only in order to run the economy, not only in order to run the country, but why is it actually essential? Let us know. What is the main reason for the development of a country? You would say the revenue, the development, and etc, the revenue which is coming. Okay, so from where the government is getting revenue? You would be like, okay, the government is getting revenue through various amount of taxes. Okay, if you people say that from taxes government is getting the income, okay, I'm with you. Then from where government is collecting taxes? Government is taking taxes from the goods which are sold to the customers. Like whenever we go and purchase some product, like for example, if you go and if you purchase, for example, any product from any grocery store. So जब भी आप कोई प्रोडक्ट खरीदते हो, like for example you go to a store and you say कि give me a mineral water. Whenever you purchase that, there is some xyz amount of tax, including the tax. If that bottle is costing 10 rupees, so that is not the actual manufacturing price of that is the price including all taxes. You must be read that, you must have read that as well. So whenever you purchase something, government gets some amount of tax. So meaning on each sale there is some amount of tax which goes to the government. In the same way, when some product is being sold, there is a profit to the company as well. And now don't only think of selling through a company, or don't only think from the company perspective. Like for example, if you are a employee, so see, if you are a employee, then just think, whenever you go to your office, what do? Knowingly or unknowingly, you provide or you sell your time and services to that company, and that pays you some value or some amount. So that is why sales is so very essential. I hope that you people have understood that, and that is in all perspective. Selling is essential in all perspectives. See, whenever an employee goes into office and he provides his services, he helps one part of the company to climb the ladder of success, right? When he helps, when many people help that company makes his product and sell, and they get into profit. So knowingly or unknowingly, selling is taking place in each and every place. So this was video about why selling is so very important.